You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this university. Some may call it a college. Is it a college? In Canada, Halifax. If you want to learn more names of famous places in Canada, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Dalhousie is how it's pronounced in this case. Yes, the H is pronounced, it's not Dalhousie or Dalhousie. Dalhousie. It's called often Dal for short. Dalhousie University. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.